Hello once again, and we're going to do a brief tutorial on JavaCPC. Now, I don't know why I said I'm going to do a brief tutorial, because this is absolutely brand spanking new to me. I have never used JavaCPC before in my life. This is the first time I'm actually using it. I've ran it just to test it, but this is the first time I'm actually going to use it. So this demonstration here is basically me using it for the first time, because I just recently downloaded it, so I just want to give it a test. It looks pretty decent. I'm used to using WinApe, so probably the same concept. Well, it's an Amstrad CPC, of course it will be, but interesting, we've got this desktop here. I'm not running it in full screen at the moment, I'm just doing it in a window, so it's just basically easy for me to record, which I'm using Bandicam, of course. Yeah, so I like all these little icons there, but we might go into them later. But let's have a look at the menu itself. So file, so load, so yeah, so this is all in my games. I've already set this, of course, so it's in my games folder, my CPC games folder rather. So we're not going to load a game just yet, we're just going to keep going through. Boot CPM. Oh, what have I done? Oops. Oh, okay. Whatever that does, you know, I'm not really big into the hardware itself. I just add it back in the day. So basically, 85% of my time with the Amstrad CPC was playing games, or 90%. I can't remember. It was mainly playing games. So I did a few bits of programming on it, but I was never into the technical aspects of the actual CPC itself. All I knew, it had a 64K memory, and that's it. Obviously didn't know what sound chip it had back in the day, but I do now. It had the YM chip, or the AY chip, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, okay, and now obviously it's got 4 megahertz processor. Okay, so let's reset that, and it's set into the 1 to 8K, like the 6 1 to 8K mode. So let's have a look. Favorite browser, emerge disk by the looks of it. So we've got a lot of new stuff here. This is all the tape for the tape images, I suppose. Import CPC file. Yeah. Maybe this is more for enthusiasts that know a lot more about the CPC. QuickTime movie, so you can record a QuickTime movie with it, record GIF sequence, obviously the web, record audio. What does that record in? I don't know. Say snapshot file, that's probably a screenshot file. So let's have a look at edit, auto type. Don't know that. Z8 assembler, obviously enthusiasts will know that, like everything else. CPC screen to dunno. Open virtual keyboard, that's interesting. Now that does look very good. I like that. That is very interesting. I like that. So I just wonder, obviously it's in the 6 1 to 8K mode. I wonder if you change the computer itself, you get different keyboards. If I've changed it to the 464 one, I wonder if I get a 464 come up. That is very good. I like that. That's brilliant. So where was we? CPC. Yeah. Hang on. JavaCPC Paint. Which screen format do you want? Normal. Look at this. We've got something else up here now. Now that is very good. I like that. I like this. This is a brilliant emulator. Yeah, I won't go into it too much, but that is very good. Oh, what's that happened there? Okay. Emulator output. Oh, what have I done? Oh, so that's the emulator output. Okay. Anyway, I won't go into this yet. So where was we? So catch CPC screen. Oh, so that's obviously a screenshot. Save screenshot. Hey? Oh, I don't know. Oh, it's obviously catching the screenshot. I don't know what that does really. Show AY control. YM control. That's the sound chip. Where's that? Well, I don't know where that's gone, but I don't know what it really does. I shouldn't really be clicking on things that I don't understand. Open printer console. Open hex editor. Open font editor. Open actual palette. I did that, and where's it gone? I don't know. This is just all little notepad. Oh, it's interesting. Copy from default as CRTDT, whatever that is. Don't know what that does. Just utilities, emulation, pause, reset, reboot, expansion info. Okay, it's interesting. Settings, right? This is where the fun begins, I think. Desktop settings. Ah. Audio. Look at this. System. Is this where we look, we can change memory 64K with what? I ain't set none of this, of course, so I don't really know. What I'd like to know is how to change the actual system itself, from like a 1 to 8K to a 464, whatever. So let's just go through it. I don't know. Band name. I don't want to change none of this. So I don't want to mess it up. You can have the Z80 Turbo. That obviously speeds up the processor, which was good because I did something on like that on Win8 actually, and it was good. It didn't speed up the actual like the music or anything, the game, but it just sped up the game itself. So that was very good. That's good if it does the same thing. Let's have a look at audio. We've done that. Video. Right. Okay. Desktop. Okay, you can change the desk. About. Okay. Miscellaneous. I want to change none of this. Drives. Right. Really don't want to try turbo drive. That's good. You can speed up the loading time. That's something I've always hated about emulators, is waiting for the game to load. I mean, this day and age, it's an emulator. You shouldn't have to wait for it to load, but that's just me. I just like to play the game. You don't have to, you know, emulate everything, I suppose, because that's what's good about the ZX Spectrum emulator. You just click on the game, it loads instantaneously. ROMs. Okay. Look. So this is the 464 ROM. So let's change it to the 464 ROM. There we go. Oh, where's it gone? What's happened? Right. Where's the reset? Why does it keep disappearing? Why is it doing that? I don't get that. I hope I ain't messed something up. Oh dear, right, okay, let's go back to settings, desktop settings, ROMs, let's just put it back to, oh hang on, was it on 6, set, oh okay, maybe over here we have to, CPC 464, oh, okay, if you set it over here, let's try that now. That's better. Right, you've got to set it over here. Okay, brilliant. Right, it's all new to me, as I said before. Is it making a noise? There we go. Right, okay. Because I've got the sound turned down. Couldn't hear it now. It's all right. It's okay. Let's carry on going through the settings. So where was we before? I can't remember. Settings, video settings, so obviously you can change that, but it's all under here anyway, so we don't really need to go through settings. Joystick settings, enable light gun. I ain't got a light gun anyway. Mouse, joystick, auto fire. Okay, brilliant. Keyboard, English keyboard. Hang on, that's what I want to do. That's what I wanted to try out. Where was that launched? Virtual keyboard. No, it still stays as a 1 to 8, but that doesn't matter. I still like that anyway. That is still a good feature. Yeah. So let's keep going. So emulation settings, change joysticks here. Yeah, over servant's performance. I don't know. Don't worry about that. So monitor, full screen. You can keep that. Keep display. Extras. Joy to key. Create a CDT. Yeah. Launch. What? So I don't know none of this. So obviously I would keep off it. I won't touch none of this. Okay. Play Death Sword. Okay. Is that built in? Let's play Death Sword. Oh, that's pretty good. I wonder who I've got a feeling I know who programmed this actually. If it's something to do with Death Sword, I think if it's that guy who's programmed it. Anyway, I won't go more into it. Let's reset that. I've got to say, it is what I've seen of it is a great emulator. I honestly may start using this. Give it a go, give it a chance, you know. I know I'm so used to WinApe, but yeah, it's great. So you can turn it off, whatever these do. It looks very nice. I wonder if you can use this to record. I don't know, obviously I've got to learn a lot more about it, but let's have a look click on that. Oh right, it's okay. Java Paint. Okay, I've done this, didn't we? Quick info. Okay. Favourites. Well, I've got my. Alright, see if you've got it on CD. Java console. Unfortunately, I don't know nothing about Java, so. But I had to install Java to get this to work. Obviously, alarm clock. Okay. Let's have a look at that. Oh, what's happened here? Oh, is that a game? I don't know what I've done. Is it loading up the game? I don't know what this is. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Reset that. Web browser. Is that going to be at a CPC style? Oh no, that takes you to the Amstrad CPC Live. Okay, excellent. What's this? This to CDT, so you can obviously change that to a. Obviously, is it? I don't know. So, is that an image, a disk image to a proper disk? I'm wondering, or is it the other way around, or is it neither? I don't know. But it's all interesting. Roland Radio. Play.
Welcome to Roland Radio. If you like to help, please visit our homepage at rolandradio.net. And now, enjoy the finest Amstrad CPC tunes ever.
That is interesting. That is brilliant. Right. Z80 assembler. I don't know nothing about assemblers, so as I say, I'm not big into the hardware because I don't know a lot about them. All I did know is how to play on them. But YM control. Oh, this is where you probably can save your YM sound. Tiled. What's that? Ooh, whatever that is, looks very interesting. Looks like another draw picture thing. Oh, I don't know. Games
Launching
browser.
JavaCPC game browser. Please wait.
Ah, that's very interesting. You can. Ah, brilliant. Thing is, I feel I've got a load of games anyway, so. But it's handy anyway. It's handy to see. Yeah, very handy. It's very good. Brilliant. What's this? GX4000. Oh, so that gives you a Java GX4000. Enough said, really, but no, I'm joking. Joking. Debugger. Yeah. Manage disk. What's the poke finder? Virtual floppy. Interesting. Death Sword I just tried. What's this? We've got some more here. Hex Editor. Well, I don't know enough about that. Audio capture. Interesting, so you can record. Excellent, that's good. Calculator. Oh, you can always use a calculator, so that's pretty good. GFX viewer. Okay, whatever that is all good stuff. Whatever this is. Oh, so this takes me to my own directory, I think. Does it? I don't know. What is this? CPC file database. I don't know. I don't know what. It's probably a different thing. But that's very good. Virtual keyboard. Oh, we know what that is. Tape drive. Interesting. Look at that. It's an old CPC 464 drive there. That's pretty good. Pac-Man. Oh yeah. So that gives you a Java perspective of Pac-Man. Very good. And what do we have here? Java CPC chat. I wonder who can we chat to? Everyone that owns a CPC. Oh, so I've got to set it up first, but that's not a problem. That I have to say that is that's all good stuff. And we got a clock here and all. Look at that. We've got a nice big clock. I want to stick that over there actually. So I like to keep the emulator here. But yeah, it's very good. Very good emulator. I'm probably going to enjoy this. So I don't want to touch none of this stuff yet. That's obviously set up, and that's obviously to power down. Yeah, alright, let's I've already played a game. Let's just load up one of my own games actually from my own directory. Yeah, I'm sure that's from my own directory. CPC game, is it? Yeah, that's from my own emulator. That's from my own hard drive, so that's good. So we're just going to choose something at random just to make sure it all goes properly. Mine, I don't know, will it work? Because I've got it on CPC 4. Let's just try it. Let's just try a game. Hey, might do. Let's try it in. Ah, maybe I've got to set it as a 1 to 8 then. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's set it. Well, it's loading the disk. It ain't going to work because it's not a tape image. So let's reset that and let's put it on. Oh, how did I do it last time? Under settings, in it. Here we go. ROMs. So I've got to change that to 6 1 to 8. Okay, now it'll work. There we go. Now we're back on 1 to 8 mode. Let's see what happens. Right. Oh. Oh no, what have I done? What have I done? Ah no, I've closed it. Damn, let's get it back. Damn, I've messed up. I have messed this all up. I'm sorry. I am so sorry. I'll edit this bit out. Well, cock-ups happen. Right, I'll have to get it all back in the window again. Here we go. Back to normal. What have I done here? What's this all about? Right, that'll teach me for doing stupid things. Right, let's see. If I go into load again, if I just choose something. No, it just don't load up, does it? You have to do cat. Perhaps you can set it to do that, but let's run. Where's the Mega TS? And that should run up. Should load up. Oh no. Right, let's just try another ROM then, because now the video is going a bit pear-shaped. Well, it was going smoothly at the beginning. Let's just load up something I know then. If I can find something I know. Let's something easy. Something comes to the... Right, that'll do. No, I'm not going to load up Bridget. Right. Run. That should load up. Hopefully, yes. We're not going to play it. This is a game I did have back in the day, by the way. I've done a review on it. It's got nice music in it, but we're not going to play it. But we're just going to reset it. Yes. So here we are. I think I've covered enough on this actually. Well, the video's gone on too long. And I may edit out the cock-ups. I don't know. But yeah, I have to say, it's a very, 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 very good emulator. Very brilliant. I might get used to this. I might start using this emulator. Yeah, very good. Well worth downloading and using, I'd say. Anyway, I'm going to end this video now. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, and goodbye.